Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the month of Jan and how the price of gold can move in the month of February 2024. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen in the month of Jan, we have seen the price, it has made a half around $2081, okay, and a low of around $2001. This is the range where we have seen the price of gold has moved for the particular month of January 2024. Now it is trading at a level of $2017.92. Okay, now it is on the average, as you can see looking at this particular chart, this particular trend is on the move. And if you look at the previous year wise also and a month wise also, you will see that there is a similar patterns are forming. Okay, and the similar patterns are being in this particular range. We have not seen a very big volatility, but if you look at this particular range, we have seen around $400 movement. Okay, but it is only for the ones we have seen. Otherwise, if you look at this trend, it was moving in this zone. Okay, now if you look at the chart, what we have seen, there similar patterns are forming. Okay, these similar patterns are being same. If you look at this particular trend also, chances will be very high that if the price keeps sustaining above this particular level, a level of around 2033, a further upside movement we can see. And because there will be a pattern forming, so chances can be high, there is a chances that it can move above a level of 2075 if the price keeps sustaining a level of 2033. Okay, this is one of the view I'm saying, because if you look at this particular trend, there will be opposite view pattern will form and chances will be high a further upside movement we can see towards $2078. Okay, and you have to remember that 2033 is a strong resistance. So once the price started sustaining of that level, we will see it will go towards 2045 and from there a level of 2049, and then from there a further upside. These three patterns are forming here. But if you look at this particular pattern, this is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, this you have to look at and understand here that this is the pattern we have seen, and similar small patterns are forming. But this is where I have already told you that if the high was around $2089, where it sustained this level, you can check my previous videos also. Okay, and for this particular time I have told you that it will cross this level, because this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances was very high, and then it made a half on 2145. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next month, that is February 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. See, if you look at the dollar index also, what we have seen for this particular month, there is a continuous upside looking at this particular chart. Okay, but overall trend is downside from the month of October of 2022, but it is trying to go upside for this particular month, and the election will also be there in 2024, so chances can be high a further upside movement we can see, which in turn can affect the price of gold by it can fall further down. Okay, so you have to remember this. Now let's go on the gold chart. Let's see. So let's see, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are high if the price keeps sustaining this particular level, it can go towards its next resistance of $2049. Okay, and this level is also being a strong resistance, so a bounce back can come. But if the price sustain above this particular level, a further upside movement we can see. From there it will go towards a level of 2053. After 2049 we will see a level of 2053, and once started going out that particular zone, we will see it will go further high and it will touch a level of 2080. This 2080 is already being weak resistance, so chances are high it will move further high. Again I repeat, if the price keeps sustaining a level of $2017.92, there is a chances that the next resistance coming at a level of 2049, and if the price keeps sustaining of 2049, we will see a further upside movement towards $2056. Okay, and once the price started sustaining that level, a further upside movement we can see towards 2080, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross the level of $2146. Okay, if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Mind that there is a clear chance if the price keeps sustaining over $2080, chance of touching 2146 will be there, and then from there a further upside. But as I've already told you, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. So always try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you will save your profit. But if you are trailing your SL, you will save your capital in SL, and you will trailing as you save your profit. If these two things things you have to do, you will sustain for a longer period of time. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $20.06.28. Okay, if the price falling below that particular level, we will see it will move to the level of $2,000 and it will touch a level of 1998. Once the price started moving below 1998, for the downfall we can see, and from there a probability of going towards a level of $1983. Okay, after 1998 we will see a level of 1983, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 1966 once the price started falling in 1983. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we will see it will fall further down towards a level of $003, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 1989 to a level of around 1983. Okay, after 1989 we can see a level of 1983, and if the price started moving below this particular level, a further fall we can see towards a level of around $1970. Okay, and if the price started falling below 1970, a further fall we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 1957. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances that once the price started falling below $1970, so the chance of touching 1957 will be there, and then there will be a pattern forming towards an opposite direction. Then there is a higher chances of going below a level of around 1957. From there we can see a level of around 1934. Okay, and if the price started falling below 1934, a further fall we can see below a level of 1900. And if the price started falling below 1900, I'll explain you where it can go. But there is a higher chances that it will move towards a level of $1887, and from there a further fall we can see towards, and from there we can see it will move towards 1844. Chances will be high after crossing this level, we will see a level of 1844, and then there a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll put my mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like